children sing aloud to music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Count 'em like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Chaos Metal?
What's up, sister?
What happened to Shimo? Did she, die or something?
That monkey, Kong, stole her from me.
Oh, that's terrible.
I know. Hold up. I got a big brain idea. I mean, some megamind, Jimmy Neutron type of thinking.
What is it, bro?
I'm getting a new pet.
But don't we already have?
Never mind that. I'm going.
Why is my brother so dumb?
Hopefully I can get a good pet here. And hopefully a dog. Hopefully I don't get a cat or anything.
That's called foreshadowing.
Here I come.
What pet store takes you 10 hours to get home and back?
I don't know, Percy.
For frick's sake, he is a speedster. He should be here.
I don't know. Maybe he got distracted. He always does.
True dat.
Stand ready for my arrival.
Holy cornball.
What took you so long?
Calm down, sis. I wasn't gone for that long.
You were gone for 9 hours.
Actually, he was gone for 10.
Damn right, bro.
Time aside, where did you even go?
I went to this small place called Playtime Co.
I'm sorry. You went where?
Hello, new friends.
Aw hex nah.
What's wrong with him?
Bro, that's fucking catnap.
Yeah, and aren't you a dog person?
Well, in my defense, this cat actually looks like a demon. And second, he used to be an orphan kid.
If he was an orphan kid, wouldn't that make it weird that you're adopting him as a pet?
People adopt human children. I'm adopting him as a cat child. This only difference is that he became a cat.
I can't tell if it's because you're bad at explaining things or not, but isn't it still strange?
Let me have my moment, jackass.
Regardless, he's staying, and you have to deal with him.
Fine. But for now, let's just leave him to get settled into the house.
The prototype is coming.
Hey, yo!